This is the day in the life of a 26-year-old guy who lives in the countryside in Korea and records himself fermenting stuff for the internet. This morning I was supposed to go to the farm and cut a bunch of weeds, but it started raining, so now I have nothing to do. So I'll start my morning with my coffee, check how my videos performed overnight, check my email, and make a list of things to do for the day. Spoiler alert, I only managed to get one thing on my list done today, and that was tidying up the house. But I've been away for a couple days, so it was in need of a tidy up and a vacuuming. I'd also been making rice wine the night before, so my kitchen island was a little sticky with rice goop, so that's getting a deeper than usual clean too. Then it's time to jump in the car and drive over to my favorite restaurant supply shop to pick up some stuff for the house and some future videos, like this bag of crushed ginger, some perilla leaves, and some pork neck meat. But this place is also my favorite place to buy supplies for the kitchen because everything is so cheap and simple. But there was still some other stuff I needed, so now I gotta head over to the big E-Mart supermarket. I forgot to film a lot here because it was super busy on a Saturday and I was too busy trying not to hit a kid with my cart, but for some reason I felt like this instant noodle aisle was worth recording. I did manage to get what I needed, and it's these pantry organizing boxes which were only like $2 each. Headed back home, did some organizing of the pantry / utility room in my house before my friend who lives in a nearby city hit me up for dinner, which was spicy chicken feet with jmukbap, which are rice balls. And here's some words of wisdom for you guys for when you decide to go eat this too.
This size. Because think about it, you put one dakbar on top, right?
Yeah.
That's what, if it's any bigger, you know what I mean? What are you having pop with the side of dakbar? That's crazy.
Also, every time you eat crazy spicy foods in Korea, they'll always offer this stuff, which is like thick plum flavored juice that somehow manages to kill the spiciness super well. And then they also served us the most jiggly steamed egg I've ever seen. And it was almost like a silken tofu, but also so delicious. And then after dinner, it's time to head home. And most days end the same as they start, on the couch, writing script for this video.